This is Will's dad, Cruz Medina. Happy Dia de los Muertos, Mr. Finley's class. Today we're going to be working on cool skeleton bodies like in Book of Life. For the first step, we're going to be coloring the skull, then we're going to cut out the skull and paste it to our black piece of paper. Then we're going to cut some Q-tips for the body, paste those Q-tips, use colored paper for clothes. So first we're going to take our calavera skull head and go ahead and color it. And when you're done coloring it, you can go ahead and cut the skull out. And next you want to go ahead and glue the head down to your black piece of paper. Now this is where we want to take one of our 3 Q-tips and add glue to the ends of it. We're going to put nicely underneath here, and you can always get some regular glue to dab there later before we take our next couple of toothpicks that we're going to cut in half. Or we don't have to cut this top one in half. The bottom one we want to cut to make the legs. And now just cutting both our other Q-tips in half, I'm going to go ahead and do the same and add glue to the ends of the Q-tip to glue them down to the paper. And if you want to add extra glue here to the ends of the Q-tips, that can be really helpful to keep your Q-tips connected to the paper. And you want to make sure and have the cottony part of the Q-tip sticking out of the hands and the feet. Now, included in your bag should be these little pieces of paper here, little tissue paper looking things. And these you can use for any of the decorations that you want to use. Some folks have used them for a little bow tie. If you want to go ahead and pinch it up here, and then hard to do one-handed, for your little bow tie for your person, little skeleton. I don't think I'm going to do that at this moment. A little bow tie, or sometimes you take it, or I folded this one up here, I scrunched a little bit. We thought of it as like a little flower there. You can fold it up here like I kind of did, make a nice little skirt or dress out of it. Or if you want to get extra fancy and your teacher has another piece of black paper, you could cut it up and make a nice little hat. So just a quick recap, you want to color your skull, and then you want to cut out the skull and paste your skull to the black piece of paper. And step 4, you want to cut the Q-tips for the body, and then you want to paste those Q-tips to the black piece of paper. Don't be afraid to use a lot of glue for that. And then the last one, go ahead and use the colored paper to make any kind of clothes.